Riding in Toys R Us. Gonna teach. Oh, Jenny, you're not teaching? Yeah! Yeah! Pass it? I don't want to look fast though. Oh, shit. Brittany. Oh, actually, this is the aisle. There she goes. There she blows. Oh, hi. I'm Mariah. You probably can't see me, and I'm probably like a really bad angle, but yeah. Oh, cupcakein. Toys R Us.
Why are we just going in the same circle?
Oh. I was trying to pass to you. I will give the camera back to. She should be right. Oh. Jenny. Hi, love. Where'd you go? Mariah from AA. Let's find Nerf guns. Mariah. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? That scared me. You're so tiny, I couldn't even find you. What are you doing? Don't. Woo! So, what's that? Jenny. That was scary. Whoa. Ow! No! Oh, you guys are so cute. Where'd Mariah go? Where'd Mariah go?